How to fix Twitch black screen error. Method 1. Turn hardware acceleration off in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and click the menu icon at the top right corner of the window. In the drop-down menu, click Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom and click Advanced. Then scroll down to the bottom again and toggle the Use Hardware Acceleration when possible slider off. Click the Relaunch button for the changes to take effect. Method 2. Enable TLS. Hold down Windows plus or keys to open Run. Type in Control Panel and click OK. Then select Network and Internet. Click Internet Options. Select the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the list. Tick all TLS options. Then click Apply and click OK. Method 3. Set Cloudflare DNS. Hold down Windows plus or keys to open Run. Type in Control Panel and click OK. Once in the Control Panel, click Network and Internet. Then go to Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your network device and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Tick the Use the following DNS server address option. In the preferred DNS server, type in 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS server, type in 1.0.0.1 and click OK. Restart your PC for the changes to take effect. However, please note that you can use your preferred custom DNS server addresses. Method 4. Reset network configuration. Hold down Windows plus or keys to open Run. Type in CMD and hold down Shift plus Control plus Enter keys to open the command prompt with administrative privileges. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and hit Enter to execute it. Then type ipconfig/renew and hit Enter to execute it. Restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Thank you for watching.